Say hello, state employees. Thank you. Thank you to those who have continued to work to provide the essential services Kansans need. It is never clearer than in times like these how important and how critical the work of public servants is. Know that you are appreciated and that you are needed. To meet the unique challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, we must continue to proceed with urgency and unity, and we must all do our part. We had hoped to have most state employees return to their offices this week, but in recognizing the need to continue social distancing and our efforts to flatten the curve, that will not be possible. Given the economic pain this health crisis has inflicted on our state, however, we must deliver the services that the people of Kansas depend upon any way we can. Innovation is often born out of necessity. This is an opportunity for us to find creative ways to serve Kansans. It is not the time to be trapped by how we've always done it in the past. As this pandemic evolves, so will our course of action for the months ahead. Those of you who have been deemed essential employees will continue working as you have these past 2 weeks. For those employees in jobs that can be done remotely, you can work from home. And finally, I know that there are some positions where working from home is not an option. I ask that each of you try to be flexible and ready as agencies identify alternative tasks employees could perform remotely or on-site to keep operations moving forward. Please stay in close contact with your supervisors for instructions and additional information. The reality of our state is changing every day, sometimes every hour. The skills, commitment, and agility of our state workforce will help make the difference. This will not be easy. Our goal through this process, first and foremost, is to do all we can to keep you and your family healthy. For those of you who are required to work on site or interact with the public, please make sure you're following the health guidelines. Maintain that 6-foot distance from others, wash your hands regularly, and clean your workplace surfaces often. And if you do experience COVID-19 symptoms or exposure to someone who is, please inform your supervisor, and then go home and stay home. Everyone has been impacted by this and is being forced to adapt. We must adapt to endure. I know many of you are taking on additional assignments at home, caring for loved ones or helping educate your children. I understand your realities have changed rapidly, and I encourage you to take care of yourselves and your fellow employees. Pick up the slack for them on days when they need to focus on personal responsibilities. We may be separated by physical distance, but we are united in our fight against this pandemic. As a state senator, I was a champion for state employees. That hasn't changed in my time as governor. I know the value of public service, and I will always work to support you. Consider yourself essential and appreciated. Thank you.